In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your wish list on Amazon, a simple and quick process that should only take around 5 minutes. Whether you're a regular user of Amazon or just starting out, knowing how to access your wish list is a valuable skill. So let's jump right into it. First things first, we need to head over to the Amazon website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in amazon.com in the address bar. Amazon's homepage is usually filled with various promotions and recommended items, but don't get distracted. Our focus today is all about accessing your wish list. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look to the upper right hand corner of the page. You'll see the sign in option. Click on it, and if you haven't already signed in, you'll need to enter your Amazon account credentials. This step is crucial as your wish list is linked specifically to your personal account. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, take a moment to set one up and then sign in. Once signed in, you'll find yourself back on the Amazon homepage or account page. Next, you'll want to locate the Accounts and Lists menu, which is again found in the top navigation bar. Hover over this with your cursor and a drop down menu should appear. Now in this drop down list you'll see an option labelled Your Lists. Go ahead and click on it. This section is like a personal inventory catalogue, a neatly organised part of your Amazon account where you can store lists of potential future purchases. It's under this Your List section that you can find your wish list. Your wish list is a convenient place to gather all the items you're interested in but perhaps not ready to purchase right away. Once you click on your lists, you'll be taken to a page where you can view all of your lists. If you've previously created multiple wish lists, you'll see all of them listed here. If not, your default wish list will be displayed. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you're able to view your wish list on Amazon. This feature is a fantastic tool for both the meticulous planners among us and the casual shoppers. You can use it to keep track of items you want to buy, share your wish list with friends and family, or simply dream about the things you'll own someday. Happy browsing, and as always we hope this guide was helpful for your future shopping endeavours on Amazon.